Do you want to earn money by just watching videos online? Imagine a world where earning cash is as easy as watching your favorite shows and videos. Intrigued? You should be. This video will guide you step by step on how to earn up to $400 a day, all from the comfort of your home. No experience or special skills are needed. So, are you ready to transform your video watching hobby into a profitable venture? Stay tuned to learn how you can make up to $400 a day simply by watching videos. The first step in your money-making journey starts with signing up on YouTubes and Grindrbuck. And here's how you do it. Head over to www.u-cubes.com and register for free. It's a simple process, just like signing up for any other online platform. Once you've signed up on YouTubes, take a quick detour to www.grindrbuck.com and sign up there as well. These platforms are your gateways to earning simply by watching videos online. Yes, you heard it right. You get paid for something as enjoyable as watching videos. And the best part, it's completely free to join both platforms. So, you're not investing anything but a little bit of your time. And trust me, the returns are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself registered on YouTubes and Grindrbuck. Once you're all signed up, you're ready to start earning. With your YouTubes account ready, it's time to start earning. Imagine turning your free time into fruitful money-making moments. YouTubes offers you just that opportunity. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First things first, log into your YouTubes account. This is your gateway to earning. Once you're in, you'll need to find your way to the Earn tab. Think of this tab as your treasure chest. It's packed full of opportunities for you to make money simply by watching videos. Click on the View Sponsored Ads option. Here, you'll find a selection of short videos. You get to choose what to watch, and the best part, you get paid for it. Each video is like a mini gold mine, waiting for you to unlock its value. And don't worry, these aren't long, tedious videos. They're short, snappy, and to the point. Perfect for earning on the go. Now let's turn our attention to the Kimi Wall. This is where YouTubes really shines. The Kimi Wall is a unique feature that offers you the chance to earn more by watching your favorite shows and videos. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn money while enjoying your favorite content. It's a win-win situation. Entertainment meets earning, creating a perfect harmony. Remember, the more videos you watch, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. You're in control. You decide when to watch, what to watch, and how much you earn. It's a flexible, fun, and rewarding way to make money. To sum it up, YouTubes is not just a platform for watching videos. It's a platform for earning money. It's a platform that turns your time into value. It's a platform that puts you in control. With YouTubes, not only can you enjoy watching videos, but you also get paid for it. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start earning today. Now let's turn our attention to Grindrbuck, another platform that rewards you for watching videos. Just like YouTubes, Grindrbuck offers an opportunity to earn while you enjoy your favorite digital content. But what sets Grindrbuck apart is its dedicated section for passive earnings. Imagine this. You're lounging on your couch, streaming videos, and behind the scenes, your account is steadily accumulating points. That's the beauty of the passive earnings section on Grindrbuck. It's like a hidden treasure chest that fills up while you're engrossed in entertaining content. Now you might be wondering, how do you unlock this treasure chest? It's simple. You just need to navigate to the Hideout TV section. Here, you can choose from a plethora of videos to watch. Each video you watch puts more points into your account. It's a seamless process that turns your leisure time into a rewarding experience. But that's not all. Grindrbuck takes it one step further. The points you earn don't just sit idle in your account. They can be converted into various rewards. You can choose to redeem your points for PayPal Cash, making your digital earnings tangible. Or, if you prefer, you can convert your points into gift cards from popular retailers. The choice is yours. This is the power of passive earnings with Grindrbuck. It's more than just a platform for watching videos. It's a platform that values your time and rewards your engagement. It's a platform that allows you to earn while you entertain yourself. With Grindrbuck, you're not just earning points, you're building up a treasure of rewards. Each video you watch is a step towards unlocking more rewards. So why wait? Start exploring Grindrbuck today and turn your video streaming into a rewarding journey. Want to boost your earnings? It's time to bring your friends into the picture. The best way to increase your earnings on platforms like Grindrbuck is to refer others. But how exactly do you do that? It's pretty simple. Once you're logged into your Grindrbuck account, you'll find a unique referral link. This link is your golden ticket to more earnings. Every time someone signs up through your link, you stand to gain. But where do you find people interested in earning just like you? The answer is closer than you think. The internet is teeming with groups of people looking for ways to make money online. A good place to start is Facebook. There are countless groups dedicated to online earning opportunities. So, join these groups, become an active participant, and when the time is right, share your referral link. But remember, it's not just about dropping your link and hoping for the best. You need to be engaging. Post a message that piques interest. Something like, comment info for a site that pays you to watch videos. Works wonders. Now here's the crucial part. Don't just sit back and wait after posting your message. Be proactive. When people comment on your post, engage with them. Send them a personal message with your referral link. Remember, people appreciate the personal touch. It shows that you're genuine and not just another spammer. You might be wondering, why should I go through all this effort? Well, the answer is simple. Every person you refer contributes to your earnings. And these are not just one-time earnings, but they're recurrent. As long as your referral continues to use the platform, you continue to earn. But it's not just about the money. It's also about helping others discover fantastic platforms where they can earn too. By referring friends, you're not only increasing your earnings, but you're also giving others a chance to earn. By referring friends, you're not just increasing your earnings, but also helping others discover these fantastic platforms. So, make the most of your referral link and start boosting your earnings today. To maximize your earnings, it's all about scaling your efforts. And how do we do that, you might ask? Well, it's a combination of strategic actions and consistency. First, let's talk about strategies to attract more referrals. You've got your referral link from Grindrbuck. Now it's time to make it work for you. What you want to do is create engaging posts that will catch people's attention. The key here is to be creative and genuine. Avoid spammy or overly promotional language. Share your experience, discuss the benefits, and let your enthusiasm shine through. But remember, it's not just about posting your link and waiting for the magic to happen. Engage with those who show interest, respond to their comments, answer their questions, make them feel seen and heard. This builds trust and increases the chances of them signing up and becoming active users. Now, let's talk about reaching a larger audience. Consider expanding your efforts beyond just Facebook groups. Explore other social media platforms, forums, or even your personal network. The goal is to get your referral link in front of as many eyes as possible. Lastly, the importance of continuously watching videos and referring friends cannot be overstated. The more you watch, the more you earn. The more friends you refer, the more passive income you generate. It's a simple formula, but it requires dedication and consistency. Remember, the more you watch and refer, the more you earn. So keep at it and watch your earnings grow. Ready to take your earnings to the next level? Let's unlock passive income. You see, there's more to this than just watching videos and earning pocket money. The real treasure lies in the creation of YouTube automation channels. Imagine this, a channel that consistently generates revenue while you sleep, eat, or even vacation. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's entirely attainable, and we have a step-by-step guide just for you, detailing how to make over $40,000 per month with YouTube automation channels. But that's not all. We're offering more than just a guide. We're offering an opportunity for you to book a call and explore what these automation channels can do for you. It's a golden ticket to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Click the first link below the video and start your journey. It's time to start building your path to financial freedom. Happy earning!